Good morning, students. I hope all of you are safe at home. Myself is Deepak Chetia from RD Junior College, and I will be teaching you English as a subject and as a language. Considering the present situation of COVID pandemic, we all are stuck at home, but our institution has taken up one initiation for orientation classes, and I hope these orientation classes will make you benefited in terms of your curriculum based further studies. So, in this orientation class, I shall be discussing the role and importance of textbooks in learning a language, especially the English language. Textbooks play an important role in learning a language or in a language class in all types of educational institutions, whether it is a primary level school or it is an institution of higher education. As it is said that textbooks are a key component in most of the language programs. A textbook may provide the very basis for the content of a lesson prescribed for the students, and at times a textbook is also a primary supplement to the teacher's instructions. When we intend to learn a language, textbooks help us in different ways by providing a ready-made and systematic instructions to find out the fabric of the language component and its structure. Now, let's talk about a textbook and its utility in a language learning program. First of all, we must know what a textbook is. A textbook is a book used as a standard source of information printed for formal study of a subject and an instrument used for the process of teaching and learning. A textbook can be considered as one of the many sources the students and the teachers can depend upon for a systematic and effective instruction. It not only helps us providing the real and genuine content of a particular topic or a subject, but also enhances our ability to grab the elements of a language in terms of language structure, vocabulary of a language, and the grammatical base. The adaptation and usage of textbooks in effective language proficiency can be discussed in terms of the wider spread need of English as a language for communications. During the second half of 20th century, due to great expansion in science, technology and economy, English was accepted and adopted as the primary language for international communication. As a result, English and English language teaching has become a wider spread need for a common platform in terms of communication skill and the development of proficiency in English. Once a learner adopts and starts using a textbook as a primary source of language tool, he or she not only intends to get the idea of the content subject in a textbook, but also he or she is bound to have an insight of the language binding of the text. As a result, the reader is capable of earning a proficiency both for writing and speaking the language. The more a reader examines and analyzes the text, he becomes more curious to know the total language binding and the vocabulary of the text, which makes him continue the reading and speaking practice. The advantage of textbook reading practice can be discussed under various categories. The practice of reading textbook helps a great number of students in different ways, and now we are going to discuss a few advantages of reading textbooks in terms of acquiring subject related knowledge as well as the knowledge of language structure. Being one of the excellent teaching aids, a textbook provides us with several advantages in the classroom. First of all, textbooks provide organized unit of work, which means a textbook gives the students all the plans and lessons they need to cover a topic in some details. It gives the clear idea of the topic with examples and explanations to meet the need of the students. The next advantage of a textbook is a textbook provides us with a balanced and chronological presentation of information, which means in a textbook the writer tries to present the information in a systematic and chronological order so that the students are facilitated with easily accessible ideas and information of a particular subject for acquiring knowledge and to prepare himself for the examination. A textbook also gives the correct and genuine ideas and information upon which the students can depend without any worry. The next advantage of reading textbook is textbooks give an insight of language-based competency, which means while reading a textbook, especially of language subject or of literature, the students not only understand the content of any prose piece, a poem, or any fictional work, but also the textbook of such category arrange certain amount of activity relating vocabulary practice, writing and speaking skills, and structure and construction of sentences in a particular language. Thus, a textbook enhances the ability of language in a student in terms of reading, writing, and speaking. So finally, we can say that textbooks have a great contribution towards the development of a language itself, as well as the individual development of the students regarding their communication skills and writing skills. So, finally, I would like to advise you all to adopt the habit of reading textbooks as much as possible to make yourself able and proficient. Thank you. That's all for today's orientation class. Thank you.